Did you know that your brain has the power to literally rewire itself? That's right. Your thoughts, habits, and even your success level are not fixed thanks to process called neuroplasticity. Your brain can keep learning, adapting, and creating new pathways at any age. And today, I'm going to show you how you can use this science to unlock high achievement and self improvement in your own life. Hi, I'm Hetal Desai, and on this channel, we talk about emotional resilience, mindset, and personal transformation. If you're ready to train your brain for success, hit the like button. Our brain is made of billions of neurons connected through tiny pathways. These connections decide how we think, feel, and act. Neuroplasticity simply means your brain can break old connections and build new ones. For example, if you once had a fear of dogs, neuroplasticity makes it possible to change that response and feel calm instead. Here's the big secret: anyone can become a high achiever, but you need two ingredients: motivation and time. Motivation is powered by dopamine, your brain feel good and go get it chemicals. Without motivation, your brain won't rewire. And without time, it also won't rewire. So you need both of them. So ask yourself, where is my motivation directed right now? That's where your brain is wiring itself. The prefrontal cortex or PFC is like the CEO of your brain. It helps you focus, learn from the mistakes, and come up with the better solutions. This is the part of that makes humans unique. The more you train your PFC to manage emotions, plan, and solve problems, the faster you grow. One of the easiest ways to boost your motivation is creating a strong self story about yourself. For example, instead of saying I'm just working, you might say that I am a problem solver or I am a builder. When your brain believes the story, your motivation rises and neuroplasticity works in your favor. Here's a fun exercise: write your life story in a third person, like it's a movie. You will quickly see the patterns and discover your hidden self narratives. Here's something powerful: your brain actually grows stronger through challenges and failure. Think of a sports. You try, you fail, you suffer a little bit, and then what happens? You gain an experience and you get better time by time. Life works in the same manner. Every time you bounce back, your brain is rewiring itself for resilience. Your brain doesn't rewire well if your lifestyle is out of balance. Sleep, exercise, social connections, and managing stress are not luxuries, these are essentials. Chronic stress keeps your brain fight or flight mode, blocking neuroplasticity. But healthy habits, movement, and being a part of a community boost dopamine, and it naturally makes your brain flexible again. So remember, your brain is not fixed. With motivation, time, and the right self story, you can rewrite yourself for success. Your struggles are not the end, they are the training ground for your next level. If this video gave you a new perspective, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who really needs to hear this today. And in this comment, tell me one area of your life where you want to rewire your brain. I would love to hear your stories.